made Mum rage.
She didn't make all kinds of noise.
There is still a Christmas Day,
And she didn't take my toys.
no one's in hospital. Is our lunch still on today?
Yes.
Disasters averted and everything's okay.
I broke a jug and now a chip is missing. Mom, help me understand, it's important to listen. But I was sorry and I'll listen more carefully. I messed up, but Mom still loves me.
Is it safe to come out now?
Microwave.
Hey, Mr. Microwave, I didn't know you could talk.
Well, a minute ago you didn't know I could cook a meal from scratch. Are you ready with the vegetables, Mrs. S?
I sure am.
Then here we go. By the way, I can sing as well. Microwave, I am the microwave.
You only use me to pop popcorn and make leftovers hot. But if you got to know me, you'd learn I can do a lot.
Microwave.
He helps me make a meal for you.
Microwave, cooking is what I do. Microwave.
He does so much more than heat. Come on, everybody. Time to eat.
Go on and push the buttons, but I do more than spin. I keep foods fresh and healthy, and in minutes, dig in.
Microwave.
I chop, chop, chop them in the bowl.
Microwave. Tasty food is my goal. Microwave.
What he does can't be beat. Come on, everybody. Time to eat.
I can cook corn on the cob and steam up yummy greens. Bake a potato and make delicious beans. I can make all kinds of veggies, a rainbow on your plate. I can cook things up fast so dinner's never late. Microwave.
Do so much I never knew.
Microwave, you make me blush, thank you. Microwave.
You do so much more than heat. Come on, everybody. Time to eat.
Hello, it's me, the wind. Sorry I took your bird from you, but I'm stronger than you did. Let me show you what I can do.
The wind is picking us up, Triggs.
Oh, we're flying, Maddie. The wind wants to tell us something.
I'm not sure I want to know.
Up, up and away we blow. I can move fast or I can move slow. Hold on tight and don't let go. Let's get blown away. I can swirl around the leaves, sway the flowers and dance with the trees. I can be a gentle breeze. Let's get blown away.
Okay, I admit it. I'm impressed.
I power sailboats with a blow. Ruffle your hair, 'cause it's fun, you know. And help birds as they fly. I spin the windmills round and round. Scatter plant seeds across the ground. And lift up kites so high, high, high.
What's up, Mr. Seagull? You never met a girl and her dog flying in the sky before? Whoa, look, Triggs! Windmills! It's a wind farm!
I don't see any cows, Maddie.
Not that kind of farm, Triggs.
Up and away we blow. I can move fast or I can move slow. Hold on tight and don't let go. Let's get blown away. I can swirl around the leaves. I can sway with the flowers. I with the trees. I can be a gentle breeze.
There's our house, Maddie. The wind is taking us home.
Well, I guess it's time to put it in the oven and hope for the best.
I guess so, Triggs. Here goes nothing.
Let's mix it up. Throw the plan away, we'll make it up as we go along. If we mess it up, we can try again. Can't be scared of getting it wrong. There's no recipe for sunshine. There's no recipe for good times.
If we don't follow instructions, who knows what we will make?
It could be a masterpiece.
It could be a mistake.
Let's mix it up. Throw the plan away, we'll make it up as we go along. If we mess it up, we can try again. Can't be scared of getting it wrong. Mix it,
Mash it,
crunch it,
splash it,
dip your finger,
lick the spoon,
A piece of fruit.
or maybe two.
come on Dad, it's your turn now.
Give it a go, you know how.
We'll make it up as we go along.
Having fun, what could go wrong?
What have I got to lose? I'll try a splash of orange juice, a pinch of salt, some tofu, a kidney bean. Hey, this tastes good. Let's mix it up.
Mix it up.
Throw the plan away, we'll make it up as we go along. If we mess it up,
Mix it up.
we can try again. Can't be scared of getting it wrong. Let's mix it up.
Our bellies are full, our secrets are safe.
We're sneaking back to bed before it's too late.
We can't wake Mum or we'll get in trouble.
We're sneaking back to bed on the double.
Oh,
Sneak and creep, we're undercover spies in the dark of night on a mission for a tasty bite. Why is the light on in Mum and Dad's room?
oh dear. I don't know. I definitely didn't turn it on.
Maybe we should investigate.
Mum!
Mrs. S.
It's not what it looks like. Honest.
What's a little mud? What's a little grime? These boots were made from mud, so let's have a good time.
Let's get muddy with a buddy. Slosh, splash, stomp and dance around. Let's get muddy with a buddy. It's so much fun making that squishy sound.
We can clean up later. It will all be good as new. But right now we are on a high. And get messy is what we do.
Let's get muddy with a buddy. Splash, splash, stomp and dance around. Let's get muddy with a buddy. It's so much fun making that squishy sound.
You two were being very quiet.
Yeah, being quiet means we can hear all the tiny noises in the house.
Like this dripping tap.
Yes. Been meaning to fix that.
Listen to all these tiny noises.
The quieter we are, the louder the tiny noises get.
I wonder how loud the noises would be if we were tiny too.
Oh, let's be as quiet as teeny tiny things. Wow, now they really are loud sounds.
Hey, there's sounds that make me want to sing. There's the knock, knock, knock of the pipes.
The squeak, squeak, squeak of the floor.
The drip, drip, drip of the tap.
The jingle of the keys of the door.
There are lots of sounds I never heard before. It's the rhythm of the house and I want to hear more. This house rocks. Listen closely.
This house rocks.
Did you hear that sound?
This house rocks.
Because there's music. And you hear it rocking all around. There's the tick, tick, tick of the clock.
The ding of the oven making our tea.
The clack of the letters in the letterbox.
I hope there's a later just for me.
There are lots of sounds I never heard before. It's the rhythm of the house and I
I
want to hear more.
This house rocks.
Listen closely.
This house rocks.
Did you hear that sound?
This house rocks.
Because there's music, and you hear it rocking all around. Knock, knock,
Squeak, squeak.
drip, drip,
Jingle, jingle.
ding, ding.
Clack, clack.
This house rocks. This house rocks. Listen closely.
This house rocks.
Did you hear that sound?
This house rocks.
Because there's music.